How many times have I told you guys I wouldn't wait till the last minute to pack? I waited till the last minute to pack. Okay, so mom has already helped me do a little bit of prep work. Look at that cute suitcase I got for Christmas. Look, it's got like little brown leather details, white. And of course I'm using suitcase covers. Anything that I talk about that you guys want, let me know and I'll try and do links. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right, so first packing cube has all of my dinner outfits. I will do a lookbook and everything that I can link that I wear on vacation will be an Amazon storefront. So I think I'm going to use the back side of the suitcase where there's like the bars. I think I'm gonna put my packing cubes in there because they're soft and can kind of squish over those. Swimsuits and cover-ups. Actually, I need to go get another cover-up, so we won't put that one in yet. Extra dinner clothes and jewelry and sandals. I'm already struggling. I'm rolling the dice and I'm just taking one pair of heels to wear every night at dinner. It's these Dream Pairs heels from my last haul because they're just like a nice square block heel, lucite, clear. They go with absolutely everything. Monroe put an air tag into my suitcase, which I definitely recommend if you guys have air tags. Just pop one in the lining of your suitcase so you can keep up with it. I'm packing my hair dryer, my Hot Tools curling iron, my beach waver, because I'm bringing all these different styling tools. I'm also going to bring hair extensions, unmentionables as my grandmother would call them. Always save your opaque packing cube for your unmentionables because if your suitcase is too heavy, you don't want your undies on the airport floor. You don't want people seeing them. Just put them in the opaque one. So here is my sunscreen. I already have a whole pencil case full, but we're gonna be there for a week and I'm trying to be super careful with my skin. So I've got some in my pencil case, some in a Ziploc bag, and then if you're going to beaches, Turks and Caicos, always pack a plain white t-shirt because they have tie-dye a couple times a week, and if you don't, you've got to buy one, and I think it's like 20 bucks. I also got this Australian gold tinted face sunscreen because I'm gonna be honest with you guys, there's sometimes I'm vlogging for y'all and I catch a glimpse of myself in my viewfinder and I am horrified. So I'm gonna see if that helps just to make me look a little bit more presentable. So I'm excited to use that. I'll give you guys my review on the first day that I wear it. Always bring a can of hairspray in my checked luggage, and Monroe always tells me that you shouldn't pack hairspray even in your checked luggage, and I'm like, am I doing something illegal? But I don't think so. Let me know. Here is this side so far. I'm gonna see if I can sneak anything else on there. I'm gonna bring this same straw bag that I did last year for like a dinner purse and maybe even a little beach bag. And I love this one because it just lays on top and goes completely flat. Lily toiletry tower is amazing. It fits basically every single thing I have to take. Shampoo, and I'm taking a lot of shampoos, the Kevin Murphy Blonde Angel because my hair gets really brassy at the beach. The Way clarifying in case I get sunscreen or anything in it. Redken Extreme Links and the Redken acidic bonding treatment because you guys, that has been saving my hair. They said, and I put a TikTok up about this, but like they said, oh, it undoes 1 year of damage in just one use. And I was like, yeah, sure. Then I used it and the before and after had me speechless. Could not believe it. It's literally the best thing I've done for my hair. And I don't know about you guys, but whenever I go to the beach, I feel like my hair just suffers because it's like hot and I get sunscreen in it. And so I always just try and like bring a little conditioning product to pop in my hair, even just out by the beach, just to give it a little extra love while I'm there. I'll put like a deep conditioner, but I'm gonna research and see if you can put the acidic bonding concentrate on for more than a few minutes, because if so, I might like leave it in while I'm out by the pool. I'll report back on that. Hair tower, of course, with all my products from Skin Farm, my brightening lotion, the eye sculpt. I always bring Acetafil moisturizers, Bioderma micellar water. I always take my Zenagen scalp sunscreen. I hate burning my scalp and it peeling. I've got Pink Lily tan drops for my face. I've got like a cystic acne medicine that I got off of Amazon that actually works really well. And then the Laneige lip mask, or however you like to say it. And then also my Amplify lash and brow serum from Zenagen. Helps my eyebrows grow so much. Sometimes a little too much. Sometimes I'm like, okay, we gotta like prevent me from having a full-on unibrow. Here is my massive swimsuit packing cube. I'm already running out of room because I have to pack my toiletries on this side. So let's see if we can't make some magic. I brought some extra sunscreen. I've got my shoes underneath there. Let's go see what we can do. So here's how we're making it work on this side. I'm gonna zip this too and then use this pouch for hair extensions. Okay, and here we have our suitcase. I don't think it could fit another thing, so let's zip this up and see what we can get in the carry-on and see if we need to just check a second bag. Took a left turn on the packing, y'all. I did not have enough room for all of my stuff in one big suitcase and one carry-on, so we have another big suitcase because I have my makeup there. I've got a beach bag, a big snorkel mask, a hat. All of my computer accessories are in this in case work comes up, and the GoPro. This is like mainly my electronics and hair dryer, like big clunky things. You can see here, I've got tennis shoes. Underneath there's a pair of dress shoes. I've got my Dyson and some more hair accessories in there. Film equipment here, the drone, and then a packing cube full of gym clothes. And then I just packed this little backpack for a carry-on. Just with my laptop and any medication that I'll need. And then I'll put my vlogging camera in there and then my noise canceling headphones. And now we're packed. This was like a short and sweet pack with me. I'll have a lookbook. That's why I didn't go like too much into detail, but thank you guys. I love y'all so much. I can't wait to see you next time right here on Alleyways. Bye.